In this video, I will show you how to fix SIM not provisioned MM or MM2 error using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Number 1. Open your quick setting panel. Turn on airplane mode or flight mode for 10 seconds. After that, turn it off. If your problem persists, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open settings. Search for reset. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Reset mobile network settings. Select your SIM card which is causing this problem. If you have dual SIM card on your phone, then tap on reset settings. This time I hope your problem will be fixed. Method number 3. Remove your SIM card from the phone, clear it and insert it into another slot, or check it using another phone to see if there is any physical problem with your SIM card. If there is, then you will need to replace your SIM card. If necessary, you can call your SIM card provider's helpline for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching.